fish on. Oh, I think we might have a keeper.
No.
Oh, maybe. So far we've had a few little ones tonight. I'm hoping this might be the first one worth keeping. Yep, and there, Mom's got one too. I'm gonna hurry and get him in the well because I gotta get Mom's.
Yes, please. Jesse wants a full drag.
Mom's got a twofer.
Super nice.
Two very nice pickerel, and that's the way it's done.
Wow.
Go, Mom.
I was like, man, that's heavy. That's a teeny weeny minnow too. He's a pair. Cool, eh?
And there, that's the way you take them off the hook. She even got a sampling. We got a sauger, a nice gray pickerel. Oh, it might not be a sauger. No, it's just not very colorful. But she got a nice golden one.
Nice.